How to fix Facebook birthday notification not sent. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if you are not getting any birthday notification on Facebook. So the first thing first, you have to make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then you just want to tap on Facebook. Once you launch your app, you just want to tap on the menu icon at the right side of your screen, then head over to the settings by pressing the gear icon. Once your settings is open, all you want to do is scroll down to preferences and you will see this notification panel. Just tap on notification and it will open up all of the notification settings. Now you want to find birthday here, so here are options like comments, tags, reminders, friend requests, people you may know, and finally here is birthday. So just tap on it. And if this notification is toggled off, you just have to turn it on and make sure that all of these are turned on as well. And once you do that, your problem should be fixed. But even after doing this, if your notifications are not being shown, then what you can do is go back to your home screen and then search for birth. So just search here birthdays and tap on upcoming birthday. You will see the upcoming birthdays of your friends and it will be listed right here. And that's how you can fix birthday notification not showing on Facebook. If you found the video helpful, like the video and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.